Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update here for Gala. We are trading at 0.07047. 24-hour volume, we're up 29%. Market cap, we're up 4.80%. Heading over to the chart here, I'm actually going to start 3 days, 1 day, and 4 hours today. So what we can see already, guys, we're retracing. We are an area of our volume where there's, again, really low areas of trade. So price may actually come back down. We're going to take a look at that probability and take a look at different retracement levels on a lower time frame, as this is 3 days. But take a look at the journey that Gala has currently have 3 days all in the green, which is amazing to see. We can see that the swing candles itself is getting smaller in this current 3-day candle, which is again really great to see for Gala. We can see huge strides at the top of wicks as well, pushing it as high as we can. We can also see and evaluate the RSI currently at 94 and 86% for our K and our D line. Still hasn't signaled us a selling opportunity because they haven't crossed over. One of those things is that we want to see if it does cross over. Some people may actually take the opportunity and bag a little bit of a coin for them because price has pumped up so much for today in this 3-hour time frame, or sorry, 3-day time frame itself, until they actually see, the crossover of these lines. But again, we are considered to be oversold, and a retracement level may actually correct itself in the market. Going into immediate short term for 1 day, again, we are seeing very, very good strides. We had finally broken through the resistance level after we saw the symmetric triangle that we actually broke out to the upside. However, price did come back down, and we're going to take a look closer at that reaction on a 4-hour time frame. But take a look at this. We are closer to the 100 MA, was able to close above it as we see some of our moving averages well below the current price. Again, the further away we are and above these moving averages, the strong the current trend of the uptrend itself. Now, if we look at our MACD, the lines and the signal lines are found well above our 0%, indicating even stronger of an uptrend. We can see that the bars itself of the histograms of our MACD is strong as well. If we do see a crossover of our MACD on a daily chart, we are going to come back down for an area of support and retracement. So going into 4-hour time frame, you guys, we can see again as our symmetric triangle here. So I'm just going to delete that profile. Symmetric triangle, we broke through, came back down, retest around our trend line, continue up, but then again, price came back down to an area of support roughly around 0.05832, and then we saw this huge surge as the RSI dropped, as the crossover of our MACD. Now quickly take a look at our MACD indicator, again over our 0%, which is a good current trend. We can see that the MACD or RSI may actually cross over on the downward side, and we may see a retracement level. But one of the things I want you guys to see too is our RSI. Our RSI reacted only at 75% and 65% until price did not push any further, and this resistance line price reacted coming downward. So here is a resistance line price is reacting to at 0.07150. Notice how many candlesticks already got rejected from this point at a 4-hour time frame. Even though we touched the top of the Bollinger Band, we retraced down, but it's strong currents. So long as we can keep this MACD the way it looks, certain surges and pumps through this uptrend of our MACD, we're going to come down, retrace, and then continue upwards. So what that would look like is essentially this, you guys. So we're going to take our fib here all the way down here, and then we're going to take our fixed volume profile. Okay, so volume indicator is going to show us a few volume for the nodes where price, generated either selling or buying. All we want to fixate is the volume, so the nodes itself coming down. You can notice right now price is reacting around 0.06892. That is closer to 38% of our fib. If price is going to come back down, this is going to be our first area of support price is going to react to. Already we see 4 hours react here, really nice support being done. However, if we do break through this, if we see the crossover on the downside, signaling a possible selling opportunity, and we see weakness in our histograms of the current trend of the bulls found near this area of support, we're breaking right through it. And the next area where we can see higher volume is roughly around the 50%. Correspondence to our fib, which is 0.06691. So that is the retracement level. But if we do mirror the same impulse, okay, let's just say hypothetically, the current is strong. We see a pinch where we're currently at for our MACD, and then all of a sudden a surge of the momentum in huge bars indicating stronger greens. We're going to do something like this. Bounce really nicely here. The target for Gala, if this does replicate once again for a third time here, is going to be 0.07622, would be our next impulse targeted price. So that is my outlook here for Gala, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.